Hey loves, what's up? So hope you're doing great. So today we have a beauty box, and this is my first beauty box for the year, which is the LookFantastic Beauty Box for January 2024. So I just want to give you a background of the LookFantastic Beauty Box. Is a subscription box you pay for every month. It comes to your house, like you're automatically debited. So it's priced at £13 monthly. If you want to get all the information about the LookFantastic Beauty Box, is going to be down in my description box below, so check it out. So today guys, let's open and see what LookFantastic arranged for us for January 2024. So okay, I can already see like flyers. So we have something here to check out the brands. Look at it, just to check out the brands and the products we've gotten. So you scan this and it's going to send you to where you can see all the information about the products that's in the box, and like how you use them or things like that. So these are just flyers, and this is our box. So let's see what we have first. First one on the list is this Philip Kingsley Maximizer Roots Boosting Spray. So this is how the spray looks like. So this is a hairspray. I think I'll be using that for my wigs because my real hair is short, so it won't really serve me anything. And this is a deluxe size. So next we have, this is also a deluxe size, and this is Willida Skin Food Rich Intensive Skincare for the face and body for very dry and rough skin. This is how it looks like. So this is how small it looks like. So the information for this skin food is for the winter season, and it's a formula that is enriched with a blend of rosemary, chamomile, and beeswax to intensively nourish and condition the body. We can use this for our bodies and our face. So let's see. Okay, so for the fact that this product is sealed like this, I'll give this brand a plus for this, because I love it when products are sealed. So if you didn't know, I did my master's in cosmetic science, and one of the things about cosmetic products is they have shelf life, and the shelf life means that's how long they can stay without degrading. And once products are opened, they start degrading automatically. There's nothing you can do about it because they have had interaction with oxygen. So when, like, let's say you go to the shop, I'm sure you must have noticed, sometimes you go to the shop, you find out that people have already opened one product or the other. That's a very bad thing. If you keep doing that, if you do that, please don't do it. Check the testers. If there are products that have testers, please check the testers. And brands, if you're showcasing your products, always try to keep testers so people can check it, like in case they want to perceive the fragrance or something. If you're not doing that, because when they open products that someone else is going to buy, the shelf life starts reducing, and unfortunately buying it's not going to be really good for anybody, because as the shelf life is reducing, for maybe it was supposed to last for like, let's say 6 months, and it's already been open and it wasn't bought for like 1 month, it means 1 month is already gone from the 6 months, and the potency of the ingredients in the product, the cosmetic product, is never going to be the same. So whenever brands are making products and they seal it so you can open it by yourself, it's a big one for me. I love that. So brands, please go the extra miles to cover your product so that people can just access it just like that. So the third one is a jade stone. So this is So Eco Jade Stone. Funny enough, I think I'm the only person that doesn't have this. It's everywhere on Instagram, it's everywhere on TikTok. So the steps are here. You should apply a face serum or oil and use the gua sha in the direction shown on your face and experience a radiant glow. So this is how it looks like from the package. So I'm sure everyone on the internet already knows how to use this, but I don't have one. I've never used it before. So but now I have it. So maybe it's going to make me to start using it. Okay, small. Yeah. So this is it. You know, people, I see people do all this. You know. You see? So I'm going to add this to my routine and see how it works. It feels like something that's going to be breakable. Next we have This Works Stress Check Mood Manager. So it's motion activated aromatherapy spray to create a soothing, balanced atmosphere wherever you are. Like, I've heard about products like this, but I've never seen it. This is what it looks like. So this is it. So let's open it up. Okay, let me tell you how it smells. So spraying this, it smells like lavender. Yeah. So I think this will be a good night rest spray. Maybe I'll spray it on my bed or my pillow and sleep. While filming this video, I've also filmed my glossy box video. Also, I have something like this in my glossy box video. That video will be coming up next after this. When I filmed it, I had something like this, but it wasn't a spray. It was more like a roll-on. So make sure you stay tuned, you subscribe so you can see that video. But it was still something that will help me with sleep. And in that video I said something that I sleep very late and I want to sleep earlier more these days because I wake up very early for work. So something like this is a good one. I'm going to use it like my relaxing thing. Just whenever I want to really relax and sleep early, I'll use this, spray it on my bed, and I use what I got from the glossy box and use it too. So I'm excited to see how it will actually work. So this is Dr. Lip Superfood Elderberry Tint, 100% natural lip, cheeks and eyelids. 100% natural multi-use moisturizing tint made with plant pigments, rich in natural antioxidants, famous for its ultra hydrating and non-staining effect. This is what it looks like. So let's see inside. Like, I'm pressing it and nothing is coming out. So I feel like it's very thick. So maybe that's why it's not coming. I feel like the consistency will be thick because I'm really pressing hard and it's not coming. Okay, so something is actually coming out now. Yeah, I was right, it's thick. So you see? Yeah, it's thick. So let's see. So this is how it looks. You're supposed to use it on your lips, your cheeks and your eyelids. For me, I would not use it on my cheeks and my eyelid because it's really thick. Like, it's very thick and I don't think I want that on my cheeks or on my eyelid, but I would want it on my lips. So let's rub it on my lips. I already have Vaseline on my lips, but let's rub it and see. I don't know if you can see any tint to my lips, but for me, it's just there. I feel like it's very thick. It's really thick. See how hard it was for the product to come out. So like the viscosity was high. Maybe it's going to last longer on the lips. So maybe that's a good thing. But to me, it's just too thick. Very thick, but it's fine. So the last but not the least is we have nail hardener. So this is Get Hard Rebuilding Nail Hardener from Nails Inc. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, this is a good one for me because I have really, for a long time, I've not fixed my nails. I barely fix my nails. I tried getting press on. I use it once in a while. These days for me, it's just when I want to go to, like, for the end of the week, I just paint my nails and I go off. So nails has never been my thing. Nails are things I do once in a while. So since I moved to the UK, I've not done my nails. The few times when I feel like I want to carry something that looks like a nail, I would get my press-on. I get my press-ons from Savers or Tesco, just the cheap ones, and they work very well for me. So yeah, so that's it. And I like this because I would be using it because my nails are bad. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it. If you're interested, join in the Look Fantastic Beauty Box Club. Check my description box, you'll be seeing that. But that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, stay tuned, because we have my glossy box coming up next. That's going to be my next video. And we have my shower routine and my hygiene haul, because you know me, I love my hygiene. So thank you guys for sticking around to me to this point. So bye bye.